So, Salvi, I know that your mother is your role model
Yeah.
and she is your close friend also. So, what are the qualities you admire about your mother and you want in your personality also?
Yeah, so you're asking about mother. So mother is always no, it cannot be explained in words because mothers are always best, and my mother is also. I really want to take many qualities of her. There are many things which I should learn from her. Firstly, in my opinion, I should take her confidence that whenever in any problem she never become nervous and she has no fear of losing it. She always fights with the situation. She always finds a way to come out of that problem. So this is the one thing. And the second thing I can say that she always care about everybody. She is not jealous about anyone. Moreover, in our family, she takes care of each and every person, not only other me and my brother, but other members also. So she is too caring. Moreover, she has a desire to learn and study everything new a single time. So these are the few things I will take from her.
Okay, nice answer.
Thank
If you
you.
could change one thing about your father,
Yeah.
what would you change?
It's a difficult question because actually I don't have right to change, but if I would get a chance to change anything, so I would advise him to change that he's not a short tempered person, but whenever he got angry, so his angriness is on a high level. He gets angry too much that he does anything. So I will advise him to decrease the angry level.
Okay, and last question.
Yeah.
How, in your opinion, how we can be useful or it is useful for you?
Yeah, so in my perspective, weekend is a really out of the box class. It always helps us in everything, and it mostly helps us in our studies. Like whenever any topic is there in our schools of grammar or anything, so at that time we can easily catch up it because we already know what is that because of weekend institute. Moreover, in weekend the studies are like Rammat Sathe Gyan. So it is like with fun we study, so we understand everything deeply. So we don't have to understand it in any other places. And not to mention, we can always improve our public speaking skills. So if any speeches competition are there, any of the thing like in poetry also. Now if in our school they told me that do you know what is poetry? So just yesterday they asked me. So I also answered and I knew how to recite it. So these are the few benefits, and it can help in future also, not only in the schools, but in future if we become a well-known person. So many of the well-known person are giving the speeches, they are public speakers. So in that case also it will help. And not to mention, in the 21st century, we all have to do the good jobs, good salary jobs, we want good packages. But for that, there is one important thing we should learn, and it's English. There is a requirement every place. So these are the few things it is very important in the life, and that weekend is giving us.
Okay, that's a wonderful answer. Kruti, what's your opinion about her performance, her answers? Okay, now Asta, are you here? Asta, are you here? No. Hetvi, do you want to say anything about this performance?
Yeah, so Shelby really a very good public speaker, and she didn't get nervous before she speak like very confidently, and uh,
Okay, that's all. Next.